Office of Film and Sports Tourism. And we are here with Director Rob Alabano of that office, and he will have a short message for him.
Okay, good afternoon. So, I feel so awkward seeing that I'm in my barong and I see you in your athletic wear. So, what is the Department of Tourism doing here right now? We are in sports tourism. So, we are now looking at sports events, competitions, races, wherein this will be our attraction so that we can invite people from around the world to come here. And in this administration, under the present administration of President Bongbong Marcos, and under the DOT Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, wherein they thought of an office. For the first time in our history, we have what we call an office for film and sports tourism. We have been looking at for sponsoring or assisting different sporting events. But for the first time in our history, Department of Tourism, we have a department or office that will go into sports tourism. So we are looking at this, wherein athletes from all over the world will be able to experience what it is to be here in the Philippines. That's why the tourism component we are espousing as very important in every sporting event. When they come here, you would treat them as athletes. These are our warriors. These are our Spartans. However, on the Department of Tourism, we are also viewing them as tourists. Your Spartan competition will trigger interest about the Philippines. Perhaps some of your competitors coming from the APAC region, APAC would include even South America? No, Asia Pacific yan. So,
Yes.
pag sinabi mong APEC, kasama si South America yun. So, on the past few, sino dito naglalaro ng ML, Mobile Legends? Okay, so did you know that 2 or 3 years ago we hosted M5? So I was meeting people who never heard of the Philippines before. And they never dreamt that they can come to the Philippines. So this is the most important part for us in the tourism. With your Spartan, the APAC championships, perhaps we can drive athletes to come over. And look, you have kids. I hope that there are international participants in the kids. Because if you have a kid coming to the Philippines, they will not come here alone. Of course, they will be coming with their dad, their mom, their kuya, their ate, and perhaps the super fan of Lola. So just one athlete, Spartan athlete, a kid, can actually bring in an additional 3 to 5 additional people to come to the Philippines and experience it. So this is the drive of the Department of Tourism in supporting the different events that we have in sports. So I would like to thank the organizers and us here for doing this event. This is a very exciting event, and I'm also into martial arts. Sabi ko, Spartan warrior. Sa amin, sa Mindanao, tawag namin dyan, Bagani. When we have the Bagani, I talked to the person, sabi niya, yung mga Bagani din, the Bagoma tribe, yan yung mga ninja natin. They can disappear in the forest in just 1 second because they are the ninjas of the Filipinos. So, Spartan, you have the spirit, you have the strength, you have the endurance, and you have what it takes to be called a Spartan. So again, congratulations to all of you, and I hope that we're going to have a very great time here in the Philippines because of your efforts. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.